How do you turn on a live location on WhatsApp on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So a few things we need to take a look at. On the iPhone, of course, go to the Settings app and then scroll down below to find the Privacy and Security section. Part of that at the bottom, at the top actually, we have the location services. Make sure it is turned on generally for your iPhone, but then specifically for WhatsApp. From the list of apps, you can find it in here. Make sure it is set to always. You might have it set to never or even while using the app, but if you want to share your live location at all times, make sure it's set to always, and ideally also the precise location toggle should be turned on. Now, when you move to the WhatsApp video, the actual regular chats, you can open up the person that you are texting with and tap on the plus button next to the text field for more options to appear and click on location. So you can see that you have the ability to share some around or nearby location, or just share your live location, which is going to be updated as you move around the city or wherever you happen to be, and it will be shared with that particular person. So that's how it works. That's how you can turn it on for the live sharing through WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up for your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials. Of course, if you do subscribe, so make sure you do that, and I'll talk to you later.